Okay, I got these from Breck's. There's some Heuchera or coral bells. Here's ladies' mantle. So I'm going to plant them right now. This is a coral bells assortment. And I've been looking around trying to figure out the best place. I decided right here along the path would be a good place. Here is some dogtooth violets that I transplanted some years ago. These alpine strawberries right here. And here's some plants I ordered from Breck's right here. It's a Heuchera mixture. There's 5 bare root plants. So I was thinking of where to plant them. I decided that right along here, in this, right beside the path, might be good. So I'm going to start out right here. Okay, here's the crown right here. And the crown is the point where the roots turn into the stem. So I'm going to put it right here and hold the crown at ground level. This is kind of a semi-shady area, which is probably perfect for coral bells. They don't like a lot of sun. Okay, there's the first one. Okay, put it at ground level, put the crown at ground level. So the stems are above the ground and the roots are below. Break up the dirt, fill in the hole. here's some ladies mantle that I ordered from Brex, and I'm getting ready to plant it, and I'm thinking right here is a perfectly good place. This is kind of a shady area, but I don't have a lot of choice on room because ladies mantle is a taller, I think of it as a shrub. It says height 12 to 18 inches, premium root, plant just below. Masses of tiny yellowish green blooms. I've seen a lot of pictures of ladies mantle, and I always wanted one, so now I've got one. Okay, that's how I plant bare root plants. And if you like that video, can you please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you come back throughout the year, I'll be going along and looking to see how these plants are coming along, so we can see how they do after I plant them. And I'll probably be watering them tomorrow if it doesn't. It's supposed to rain tonight, but if it doesn't, I'll probably water them tomorrow. But anyway, that's how I plant bare root plants, and I don't make it a big production. And so I hope you liked that video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, Gardening in My Yard, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks a lot, and goodbye.